I am so depressed. I woke up this morning with a very bad news. YouTube refused to approve my monetization. I am so sad. I think I'm quitting YouTube. So I woke up this morning with this email from YouTube. It said your channel is not approved for monetization. I feel so depressed, so wasted. All my years on YouTube has just been wasted. Why? He said, "Hi, KCity Online. Thank you for applying to join the YouTube Partner Program. We carefully reviewed your channel, KCity Online. Unfortunately, we found that your channel is not in line with the YouTube channel monetization policy. So we cannot approve your application at this time." So this is my YouTube channel, and I have 1,700 subscribers, and I have 64 videos. I have different videos I have created using my own self and other people's videos also. So I started in 2020 and I've been doing it consistently, following up and be trying my best. I never knew that I was going on the wrong way. It is Gandhi that said that no matter how fast you run, you will never reach your destination if you are going on the wrong direction. So I was going on the wrong direction without knowing. Advancement to failure. I feel so depressed. I feel like I've wasted my effort. I'm going to tell you the mistake I made that made YouTube not to approve my YouTube channel. If you are making one of these mistakes, you are going to waste all your time, your effort in making videos or trying to create videos. Your effort is going to be unfruitful because you will end up wasting your entire time creating content and they will not approve it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the mistake that I have made and how and why you should not make such mistakes so that you will not waste your time creating YouTube channel and making content, and at the end of the day, it will be disapproved. The number one mistake I made is that I did not go through the YouTube channel monetization policy. I did not read their community guideline. I was just excited to making videos. If you want to go into content creation or you want to be monetized on YouTube, please go ahead and read the YouTube channel monetization policy. Make sure you read it from A to Z to make sure that you understand what YouTube wants and what they don't want. I failed to read the YouTube channel monetization policy. I was just excited. I want to be on YouTube. I want to be called a YouTuber. I want to be creating content. And I did not follow their policies. I did not follow their rules. I was just creating content because I had the skill. Don't make such mistake of just. So I woke up this morning without knowledge. The Bible said that my people die for lack of knowledge. So if you don't have knowledge, you are going to waste your time, you're going to waste your years creating content that will not yield any result. Number two, YouTube will deal with you if you create fake engagement. You are buying views, you are buying comments, you are buying likes, you are buying subscribers. YouTube will deal with you. I did not understand this. I was just busy creating content, looking for followers, telling people subscribe, looking for how I can buy followers to reach up the 1,000 subscribers. But at the end of the day, I killed my channel. If you want to become a YouTuber, don't attempt to buy followers. Don't attempt to buy comments. Don't attempt to buy likes or anything subscribers. They are going to kill your channel. Your channel is going to die. Another one is impersonation. Impersonation policy say content intended to impersonate a person or a channel is not allowed on YouTube. YouTube also enforces trademark holders' right when a channel or a content in the channel causes confusion about the source of goods and services advertised. it may not be allowed. So if you know you are going to impersonate somebody, don't create YouTube channel, because YouTube will deal with you, and at the end of the day, you are going to waste your time in vain. I didn't know all this. I was just busy, excited about creating videos. Please pay attention to this. Another mistake, I did not know that there is something called copyright policy on YouTube. When it comes to copyright, YouTube don't play with people's content. If you are fond of using people's video as a content creator or as a YouTuber, YouTube will deal with you. Look at what they said here. He said, creators should only upload videos that they have made or they are authorized to use. That means that they should not upload video that they didn't make, or use content in their video that someone else owns the right to, such as music, tracks, snippets, or copyrighted programs or videos made by others without necessary authorization. Guys, this copyright killed my YouTube channel. I did not know that you don't use people's video on YouTube. So I was just busy uploading people's videos, uploading people's content. That killed my channel. If you are looking to monetize your channel, stop posting people's content. They are going to kill your channel. He said you must be a creator. A creator is someone who creates something from beginning to the end. Somebody who creates something that did not exist before. So the best way for you to make it on YouTube is to create content by yourself. Stop copying other people's content, because if you copy other people's content, even when you have been monetized, they're going to demonetize your YouTube channel. This is my advice for you, because this particular copyright policy killed my channel. I'm so sorry to say that, but it was my mistake because I didn't take time to understand YouTube. Run away from people's content. If you know that you cannot create content, there's a way you can use an AI tool to create content without showing your face. Okay? Don't use people's content without their permission. Don't upload videos that are not from you. Record your content by yourself. Another mistake that people make is they are using other people's music. Music will kill your YouTube channel. If you are using other people's music, it's going to kill your channel. That is why you see Sabinus, for instance, is using his own music. If you want to be using music in your channel, create your own music. Go to the studio and tell someone to create a song for you. That is why you see people like Sabinus. Most of these big creators, they are using their own music. So if you want to be monetized on YouTube, don't use somebody's music. Don't use any music that you are not authorized to use. Even soundtracks, don't use them, because they are going to demonetize your YouTube channel. They are going to put down any video that you put music that does not belong to you. Don't use somebody's video. Don't use somebody's music. And anything that is not created by you is not allowed. That is why they call it YouTube creators, not YouTube copiers. Now, how can you succeed as a YouTuber who just started with no ideas, with no experience, with no content in mind? Number one thing you need to do is to find your voice. Why do you want to go into content creation? What is the message you want to give to people? What is that one reason that you want to become a YouTuber? You have to have a reason. You have to have the end in mind why you want to be a YouTuber. Why do you want people to watch you? Why do you want to earn big on YouTube? You must have to find your voice, the why. So you have to create a name for yourself by finding your own voice. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Click on that notification button so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to see the video. You must have to be consistent in any business or in anything you are doing. If you are not consistent, you are not going anywhere. So you have to be consistent. If you are uploading video every day, make sure you are uploading video every day. You're uploading 2 times in a week, make sure you are uploading 2 times in a week. But in all, make sure you are creating content. Make sure you are consistent, because consistency is the key to growth. A lot of people they are not consistent. They are just doing it as they wish, reluctantly. If you want to grow as a YouTuber, you must be consistent. You must be ready to work. You must be ready to put your head to work. Number 3, you must be ready to think and connect to your viewers. You must learn how to communicate to your viewers. You must learn how to communicate your ideas to your viewers. When you're on camera, you are talking to somebody. You are talking to a group of people. You are talking to a community of people. So you must learn how you can communicate effectively and connect your ideas with your viewers. That is how you can grow. That is how people will be coming to watch your videos. Why? Because you are connecting to their ideas. You are connecting to what they want. You are connecting to making their work easy and connecting to your brand voice. And number 4, learn how to build your unique brand and tradition. I want you to bring your uniqueness to online. If you are teaching somebody on how to make money, make sure you are teaching them well on how to make money. In whatever niche you have found yourself in, make sure you bring the uniqueness in it. As for me, I teach people how to make money online. Make sure you bring that your brand, your uniqueness, your ideas, you bring it and make it public. That is it, guys. I'm not going to quit YouTube, okay? I'm just kidding. Because YouTube did not approve my KCT Online channel, I have created this channel. And I'm going to chase it. I'm not going to give up because they did not approve my channel. When the unexpected happened to you, do not give up. Whether it's working or not, learn how to chase your dream. Because you can only fail when you give up. A strong man will fall 7 times, 10 times, and will rise again. But it's only the weak that fail once and they give up. We are not giving up. YouTube, we are here and we are going to make it big by sending out our voice, by making our voice count. I'm going to make my voice count. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please support me by subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to like and share. Comment below. Ask me any question and I'm going to answer you. Guys, we know the fear. We don't fear. We are going to upload video whether they like it or not. So click on that like button. Click on that notification button so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay? My name is Kenneth and we are digging it deep.